Good day and welcome to today's class. Today's class is a continuation of our SS3 further mathematics classes on matrices. In today's class, we shall be looking at multiplication of matrices. At the last class, we have looked at addition and subtraction of matrices, where we said in addition and subtraction, those two matrices must be equivalent. That is to say, they must have the same order in order for you to add them or subtract one from the other. In multiplication of matrices, that condition is not required, whereby they must be of the same order, meaning you can multiply a 2 by 2 matrix by a 2 by 3 matrix and it will still be applicable. But your order of the new matrix C will no longer be a 2 by 2 matrix, but rather it's going to be a 2 by 3 matrix, and we are going to prove all of this. So in matrix multiplication, we have what we refer to as scalar multiplication of matrices and matrix multiplication. In scalar multiplication, this involves you multiplying a given matrix by a scalar. That scalar may be a constant term or may be a variable. So if we are to look at scalar multiplication of matrix, we have an example on the board that let matrix A be of A11, A12, A21, and A22, and K be a scalar. So if you are asked to find the product of these two, scalar multiplication can be said to be Ka, and Ka is equal to K times A11, A12, A21, and A22. So in scalar multiplication, what you are to do is to multiply every term of that matrix by K, and it gives you a new matrix C. Let's call it maybe matrix C. So it therefore means that Ka will be equal to your A11 or your C11 of a new matrix becomes Ka11, Ka12, Ka21, and Ka22. So since it is a constant term, we have to multiply every element of that matrix by K, and it gives you the new matrix Ka. So this is what scalar multiplication of matrix is all about. Let's take some examples. Example 1 says, let x be defined as 4 minus 11 minus 8 and 3, and y to be defined as minus 5, 1, 0, 6. The question says we should find A, 2x, B, minus 3y, and C, 4x minus 2y. So what we are going to do in this case is this. Solution. X is said to be equal to 2 times matrix X, which is 4 minus 11 minus 8 and 3. So this is equal to bracket 4 times 2 minus 11 times 2 minus 8 times 2 and 3 times 2. So this is equal to a new matrix 8 minus 22 minus 16 and 6. So our 2x is defined as this. So this is what you get when you multiply x by 2. B, we are asked to find minus 3y, where minus 3 is the scalar and y is the matrix. So B minus 3y will be equal to minus 3 times minus 5, 1, 0, 6. So when you multiply this, you are going to have minus 3 times minus 5, minus 3 times 1, minus 3 times 0, and minus 3 times 6. So minus 3y will be equal to matrix with elements 15. Minus times minus gives you positive. This is minus 3, 0, and we have minus 18. So this is your answer for minus 3y. All you need to do is to multiply every term in the box by minus 3. C says 4x minus 2y. So we have it as 4x minus 2y. Now I'm going to solve this together. We have 4 into bracket, 4 minus 11 minus 8, 3, minus 2y, where y is given as minus 5, 1, 0, 6. So we are going to solve this together. This is equal to matrix 4 times 4 minus 11 times 4 minus 8 times 4 and 3 times 4 minus, since I'm subtracting, I'm not going to multiply every term by minus 2, but rather by 2. So that this is 2 times minus 5, 2 times 1, 2 times 0, and 2 times 6. If you are to multiply every term in the matrix by 2, definitely the sign outside is going to be positive. Okay? So I just chose not to do that, so that I will do that when I'm subtracting. This is equal to, we have 4 times 4 is 8. This will give us minus 44. And this is said to be minus 32. And this is 12 minus, this is minus 10, 2, 0. 2 times 6 is 12. So this brings us to matrix subtraction. Remember, this is 4x minus 2y is equal to, I'm going to subtract, that is 8 minus 10, and this becomes minus 44 minus 2. This will be minus 32 minus 0 and 12 minus 12. This is equal to a new matrix. This becomes 8 minus minus 10, which means 8 plus 10, and 8 plus 10 is 18, while this is minus 42, and this is minus 32, and we have 0. So this is what you get when you are asked to find 4x minus 2y. All you need to do is to multiply the matrix x by 4, as well as multiply matrix y by 2, and then you find the difference. So these are the answers you will get in scalar multiplication of matrices. Kindly like my videos as you watch, while I recommend that you subscribe to my channel if you are yet to do so, and also follow me on Facebook and on TikTok at My Lesson Teacher. Turn on the notification bell so as to be notified whenever a new video is being uploaded. You can also use the comment section to interact with me on areas that are still difficult for you to understand. While I recommend you share the link with your friends and families so that they can also benefit from my daily classes.